This video will discuss access levels. And to really understand access levels, you need to understand also schedules. So we'll kind of lump these together. The first thing is an access level defines what doors that a group of individuals are allowed to use, and you also can specify the time of day in which their fobs will work on those doors. For instance, if I had an access level called teachers, I might specify that they can come in 9 out of 10 doors, because the other one might be strictly for an administrative office or something like that that they don't normally have access to. And I could specify that they're only allowed to use their key fobs between the hours of 8 a.m. and 10 p.m. Monday through Friday, all day Saturday, and all day Sunday. So first we would have to logically set a schedule up. So we'll start with schedule, and we're going to add a brand new schedule. And again, you want to wait for this stuff here to disappear off the screen. When it does, then you can type it in. So I'm going to call this video training, just for lack of better, video training schedule. And I'm going to specify that you can come in between, we said 8 a.m. or 8 a.m. So it automatically goes. You can actually type it in here. This is the end time. Matter of fact, I'm wrong there. So we said 10 p.m., which is 2200. And 8 a.m. And we can just like go right here. And unfortunately it adjusted that the same. So 8 to 10, Monday through Friday. I can add another interval, because we said they could use it anytime on Saturday and Sunday. So 00 to 2400 on Sunday and Saturday. And if there's a holiday defined and we wanted them to be able to use their cards on those holidays, we could check these boxes here. So let's do that. If it's a holiday, they can still use their fob. So 8 to 10, Monday through Friday, and anytime on Saturday, Sunday, or any type of holiday. So we're going to hit save. So now we have a schedule defined for video training schedule. So now we're going to go to the configuration access level, and I want to create an access level for, we'll use administrative building. Here's all the ones that exist right now in the administrative building site. I'm going to add a new access level. Okay. And I'm also going to call this video training. So I'm going to go back in here and delete this then. And I'm going to assign a schedule for these. Notice I have that door selected. And I'm going to select video training schedule. Select. So for the boardroom, admin room, and you can move these around if you need to, I'm going to say that they can use the boardroom if I wanted this one. And you can assign a different schedule for every door if you wanted to. In this case, I'm not. And video training schedule. And for sake of argument, let's say the handicap entrance, I want them to be able to use this 24/7, 365 days a year. Well, you would just go to that, assign, and here's a schedule called 24/7, 365, where you can see it's all holidays and 0 to 2400. Select that. Okay, so now I've selected an access level. In this video, I'm not going to do all these, but you would essentially go through each of the doors that you want them to have access and assign a schedule to that door. And then when you're done, you're going to hit save. And here's where it's important, because now when you go back to your configuration users, and keep in mind we're doing the admin building, but if I do ATA security and pick my card here, if I wanted for the admin building, I now will have a schedule down at the bottom called video training, and my card would only work during those times in this site. Again, you'll probably only have access to your particular site, so you won't get to see all this other stuff. Let me change this back. And you hit save, and that's all there is to creating an access level and a schedule.